you, and you adore. I start you to. I think the perfect way to soften a space is by adding some beautiful flowers, whether you choose to go the route of it being artificial or live. That's completely up to you. I decided to go with some real flowers, so here you see me hunting for someone to take home with me. I found these really cute gardening gloves from Amazon. I decided to go with roses, so these were extremely necessary. Here I'm unboxing my lovely birthday gift. I decided to go with a Parisian bistro vibe. I decided to create this into a series, and this is part 1. I have a lot of things that I want to do, but we also want to take our time in doing so. I found this throw blanket from my favorite store, TJ Maxx. It's so pretty. I love the quality and the color, of course.